Hello. I was wondering today that how many years, months and days have I been employed exactly. Manual calculations seemed lengthy. Therefore, I used Excel to determine the date differences down to number of days. I am going to use synthetic start and end dates for this tutorial. We will be using DATEDIF formula. The third arguments in DATEDIF formula will be y to determine number of years, ym to convert the remainder year to months, and md to process the remainder of month into days. Let's enter start and end date in two columns. The formula will use three arguments. First is the start date, second is end date, and the third is its unit. In the first part of the formula, we will determine the number of years, using the year unit, y, in the third argument of formula. We will use an operation to add text string for years in the formula, as shown in the video. Press Alt plus Enter keys to break line, and to write remainder of your formula in a new line. Start with AND operation to calculate the number of remainder months using ym unit in the DATEDIF formula. Repeat the same process, but this time we will use md in the third argument to calculate the remainder of days. Add a text string in end of the formula to write days at the end. Hope you like this video. Please press the like button and subscribe.